slide it to the ring. Kept doing that. No! Oh man, I know this thing ain't cracked.
Don't let this be you. Go to the iDoctor and he'll have it just like new.
iDoctor Screen Repair Services, repairing all iPhones and iPads. You can also get a quote on Samsung devices, tablets, laptops, and more. In addition to our service, we also offer charging port replacements. That's right, charging port replacements. Get your seasonal discounts and set your appointment today at 601-653-2643. That's 601-653-2643. We bring life back to your device.
Oh,